Thank you to our sponsor Maxon, software solutions for content creators. Hi, we are Technically Robotics, a veteran FLL team with 5+ years of experience. We have used various strategies in the robot game. Today we will show you different options to complete the robot game. FLL boards tend to be somewhat the same. They always consist of these mission types. It is helpful to understand these 4 attachments and grouping, which we will get into later. Here are the different mission types: push missions, pull missions, drop missions, collect missions, and lift missions. When MASTERPEICE comes out, we have a chart listing the types on our website. There are 2 main types of FLL strategies. We classify them as princeps belly and humulus belly. Here's the chart with the pros and cons of both of them. Pick the one that is more suitable for your team. An honorable mention is the regional strategy, which is where you perform missions based off the area. When building a strategy, you need to account for something called grouping. It's when you use attachments and code to perform similar missions. For example, take this imaginary board. Instead of just doing these 2 missions because they're close to each other, do the pull and the other pull mission. Yes, if you can still do that drop mission.
When creating a project, you will want to use pseudocode to plan out how you will code your project. This helps you to make your code clean and organized and aids in preventing messy, cluttered spaghetti code. Writing pseudocode is relatively easy. All you need to do is open up a text editor of choice, then write out the steps and key details of your code plan. For example, move your robot according to your strategy and write every movement down. Go into your text editor and write forward 10 centimeters or whatever your robot needs to do. Repeat this for every movement on every run.
Thank you so much for watching. We have a project tutorial right here on the screen that we highly advise watching. Also, make sure to check out the website for any resources in this video.